Hello, for today's on the shelf video, I would like to show you how to make your own color boxes. In the primary environment, we have color box 1, which is just the primary colors. We also have color box 2, which is 11 colors, all the colors of the rainbow, and then brown, gray, black, white, and pink. And then the color box 3 is a gradation of all of those colors. So they're usually in tablets like this, but it's very easy to make your own. And so what we did at home today was I just drew on a piece of paper some lines. I just folded it in half, drew it on a line, and then used a ruler to space them out about 1 inch apart. And then the kids just colored them with markers, and they just colored them, and then we just cut them out. And so they can just mix them up and then match the colors. So when we're using these, we would match them so that the brown or white part of the tablet is touching and then the colors are next to each other. But with your homemade version, you could just slide them up side by side. You could also do that with like painting, or you could, if you wanted to do the gradations, then you could have, some white, say you're doing a gradation of blue and you were doing paint, then you could do one that's dark blue and then just keep adding white and have your child do the whole gradation with the paint and then cut it out. That would be fun. And then, so this would be like the gradation of blue. So that's just a really easy thing that they can do to help practice their perception of color. And you can also do all of the language. We usually introduce this at age 3 in the classroom, but I mean, the children up to age 5 love to do it. And there's so many games they can do with it. After they match it, they can do a To the Environment game where they go and find things in the environment that are those colors and bring them to the tablets. But they can also go to the environment, so they can take the tablets to things in the environment that those colors. And then when you are doing color box 3 and you have the gradation of the colors, there's even more exploration to be done. If you bring a blue, like which blue is it closest to? And then we'll even start to name the different variations of blues or pinks or grays or whatever. So that's a really easy way to do it. Another thing you can do is when you're at the hardware store, if you want to grab some paint samples, just get 2 of each one and then you can cut those and it's like already done for you. So those are just some easy ways to put together your own color boxes at home.